Hi there, I'm going to talk about the meteorite landing data story. Astronomy is always interesting to me. With a curious mind, I selected this topic to explore meteorites landing on Earth. I collected a comprehensive dataset from Space Science Meteorite Landing in CSV format. The dataset has 34,000 plus records of meteorite landings. I performed exploratory data analysis, cleaned the dataset by filtering null record, and used the final dataset for data visualization in Tableau. After data wrangling, I prepared 5 guiding questions to focus my analysis. Let me take you through the guiding questions one by one. The first one, is there any time or seasonal pattern of meteorite landing? I felt a common curiosity to check if there is any pattern in its landing, but when I plotted the path diagram of meteorite landing counts with the landing year, I see there is no pattern, but here I found an interesting info which shows that the heat has increased significantly after 1970. As second question, let's check which are the regions are densely hit. I plotted red class of meteorites on the map by its average mass. It is interesting to see that United States of America, Western Sahara, and the towards north of the Atlantic Oceans area are most densely hit. I was curious to check what was at North America side. When I zoomed on US, I found Arizona got the heaviest hit in 1891 by an iron class meteorite, and globally Namibia got the heaviest hit in 1920. As you see over here, that the Namibia got the highest hit or the heaviest hit globally so far by an iron class meteorite. Next comes the most interesting part, which is little confusing too. The dataset had fill and found attribute of landing records. There is no metadata available for the attributes description. So I don't want to assume that fill means landed and found means seen but not landed. But I have plotted the statistics of fill versus found year wise over here. As we know very little about the classification of meteorites, that's why, other than its mass, we don't have enough info about its characteristics. Here I have plotted the meteorite ray classes based on its average mass, and on the right side its count of landing. The insights we get from this chart is heavy meteorites are very rare, and the maximum hit happens by lightweight category of meteorites such as L6, L5, etc., which is very good news for us. And at the end, when I wanted to find which year we got the heaviest hit, the biggest bubble shows that the year 1920 we got the heaviest hit so far. From these findings, I can say that the meteorite landing is not rare. It happens more than we think. Who knows? Maybe one hit somewhere in the globe when you are listening to this data story. Thank you for your time.